Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we are going to be sharing with you a nice muffin recipe. This is our lemon muffins. We hope you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as we did. If you want something more basic, we have a basic muffin recipe linked in the description. So let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to prepare your lemon. Grate off all the zest from your medium-sized lemon. Get a nicely ripe one, of course. Do this until you have all that yellow niceness in your bowl. After that, you're then going to cut your lemon into half. After cutting it, you're going to remove all the seeds. If you cannot manage to remove all the seeds, just squeeze out the lemon and then pass it through a sieve or a strainer. And yeah, just to make sure you do not have all those seeds in your mix, because you don't want anybody biting in the seeds. So after that is done, you're going to mix your dry ingredients. 3 cups of flour go in first. You're going to add in 2 cups of sugar, which you can reduce according to preference, and 15 grams of baking powder. So mix this up really well. At this point, you can even add in a pinch of salt if you prefer. Next step is your wet ingredients. 3 medium-sized eggs. Break them well. Make sure no shells are going in there. Put that into your mix, and then you're also going to pour in a cup of olive oil, of which you can use even any vegetable oil of your preference, but a cup will do. Pour that oil in there, and then you're going to mix it up. Always make sure to do it nicely and gently. You do not want to overbeat your mix, so slowly and gently until everything is all mixed up. Next step is you're going to add in your yogurt. I use 200 grams of non-fat plain yogurt and 200 grams of whole milk plain yogurt, of which you can use 400 grams of either if you prefer. But I prefer mixing them up this way. I try to convince myself it's a healthier option. But yeah, after that, you're just going to mix in the yogurt gently into the mixes. Always gently mixing. You do not want to beat it up too much. So after that is done, until this point, you're then going to add in 50 ml of your lemon juice, the lemon juice that you had squeezed out of your lemon earlier. Pour it in there and continue mixing gently. After that is done, you're then going to add in your zest, all the zest that you had gotten off your lemon. Just put it in there because you want to have that nice lemon aroma. Apart from the nice lemon sourness that the juice adds, that zest adds that nice lemon aroma. So just mix it in well. At this point, your mix is ready, so gently mix it in, and then you're going to put all your mix into your pan. So at this point, your oven should be heating up at 180 degrees, and then you're going to bake them for about 30 minutes. So just do your best to put it all in there and not to mess up as I usually do. So just put everything in there. Slowly, gently, calmly, you'll manage to do it. So I'm trying, doing my best. But yeah, of course, it's difficult. But yeah, at the end of the day, our pan is ready. We are going to put it in the oven. 180 degrees for 30 minutes, and we're going to be observing this because they might cook even earlier than 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what our scones look like. This is what our muffins look like. So we hope you enjoyed this recipe. We hope you're going to enjoy doing this with us. And voila, they're super fluffy, super moist. We hope you're going to enjoy eating them as well, not just baking them. So until next time, from us, it's bye-bye.